Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your system for diagnosis and repair. Run VLC as administrator and test a file for immediate permission issues. Next, check the VLC version number like 3, 0, 18 and choose 32-bit or 64-bit accordingly. Open Task Manager to watch VLC processes and memory use during a playback attempt. If crashes occur, note exact times and error messages in Event Viewer. Record error codes for later search and support. This basic data speeds up targeted fixes and avoids random. Now reset VLC preferences and cache to clear corrupted settings and playback errors. Go to Tools, Preferences, then click Reset Preferences and clear cache folders. Download the latest VLC installer and run it to update core files. Optionally install Klite 15. 2 codec pack if codecs are missing. Update DirectX and your graphics driver from the manufacturer website to avoid decoding problems. Run Windows Update to install critical fixes. Restart Windows and test multiple file types to confirm whether the issue persists. If problems continue, use advanced fixes targeted to Windows 7. Run VLC in Windows 7 compatibility mode if newer builds misbehave on the OS. Delete the C /users /your name /app data /roaming /VLC folder to remove corrupt configs and preserve user backups first. Allow VLC through Windows Firewall and test streaming with ports open when needed. Try disabling hardware acceleration in VLC input/codecs to bypass GPU decoder issues. As a last step, perform a clean uninstall and reinstall and choose custom settings to control codecs and plugins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.